plenty male that is now experiencing an enlarged prostate. So this is formulated to shrink the prostate. Your Guinean red fever grass is inside of this. If you have any like cancerous tumor, anti-cancer is good for the thyroid imbalance, fibroid issues too. It helps with the reproductive organ, male and female. Shrink your prostate. Cancer issue, it helps to relieve. Indigenous herbs. There's the cotton. We use the cotton tree is in this. And old lady, another fabulous herb is called old lady.
Wow.
Yeah, so
People start taking this, they see their numbers, prostate or whatever, tumors, they see their numbers start improving, and the doctors question them.
Of course, that's all the questions.
So you've had success with
I had plenty of success. I'm telling you, plenty of success.
Got it. So please call for your consultation. Check with your doctor before anything. Check with
So all male over 40.
male over 40.
Yeah, and female
Okay.
earlier than that need that.